Here's our second visit to Rio, Baja California Palace, and we paid for a regular room and got the side view of the ocean instead of the other resorts. Here, since we book a lot with Rio, they hooked us up with a bottle of wine, I believe, Cabernet Sauvignon, whatever. They gave us some chocolate strawberries there, gigantic, by the way. Then here, the TV, standard, and fancy walk-in over here. Extra towels if you need them, of course, ahead of time. Rainfall, shower, flat, walk-in, and then of course 2 sinks designed for a couple of guests. They have the tub. You want some Epsom salt, like I always say. Closet over here, hangers to hang your stuff. What else are they gonna be for? Then they got the fancy swan figure over here with the towels. Really cool. They recognized the status that I have, gold. They gave me elite club. It gives you access to additional facilities. Since it is an all-inclusive, comes with standard bottles, tequila, rum, and vodka, and the other one I'll tell you later. Gin. And over here, a few beers. You could get them restocked every 2 days. Safe, hangers, extra towel, extra pillow. It's a really nice room. It's a standard room, but if you have come here enough times already, they hook you up with an upgrade and preferred a side partial beach view, which is once again this other one for those that skipped. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if you want to see more stuff.